Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, what we're going to go over is what is Forex and how much can you really make trading Forex on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly, or even annually. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release content like this on the future, as we do on a daily, and share with a few friends that you believe the video will be of value to them. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. What is Forex? All right, now I'm going to be sharing from my ebook. For those of you that would like to have a copy, you can purchase it from our website. The link is in the description. Okay, it looks like it's taking a while. It's called the Black Forex Academy ebook. So now, as it's loading, I can keep on telling you what is Forex, as it looks like. Oh, there we are. So Forex is the short term for foreign exchange, as you can see here. Forex is the short term for foreign exchange. It's also known as currency trading, which it involves is the buying and selling of currencies on a global foreign exchange market, right? So what really happens on the Forex market is that you have to speculate between the fluctuation of different currencies. So for instance, you're going to decide, let me get back. So we'll be switching between the ebook and the screen here. You have to speculate what's going to happen. So for instance, between two currencies. This is a trade we took earlier on. I did share it in my free Telegram Telegram channel that's linked in the description. Right now we're in profits. It was a trade we took between the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. According to our analysis, we believed that the Swiss franc will actually be stronger than the Japanese yen, and that happened. As you can see, prices rising higher, and we took a trade here, we took a buy, and now we're in profits because our speculation actually worked. So in the Forex market, what happens is that you speculate what's going to happen between two currencies, as it's always a comparison between two currencies, either the dollar against whatever, Japanese yen against whatever, the European, the pound. It's two currencies against another currency, right? Now, what you do in the Forex market is that you speculate what's going to happen, which currency will be strong compared to what other currency, right? So that really is what Forex is. It's a foreign exchange market. So you speculate which currency will be stronger against what currency, and then you place your bid. Now, who participates in the Forex markets? Obviously, we have to also look at that. Forex can be done by individuals, financial institutions, and even large corporations such as hedge funds, prop firms, and whatever. Now, for small traders like us that are individuals, like you have a trading laptop and you just trade to make a couple of bucks, we are called retail traders. For those that have hedge funds, hedge funds are large, traders, they are large traders. For us retail traders, for you to actually participate in the market, you need to open a brokerage firm so that you can actually participate in the market. But you can't really make a difference in the market. Let's say if you place an order of $100, you can't really move the market because the market has a turnover of over $6 trillion a day. Every single day, there's a turnover of over $6 trillion. Just picture that. Over $6 trillion is being moved around the market every single day. So with your $100, with your $1,000, with even your $100,000, you can't really make a difference. Even if you move $1 million, you can't really make a difference in the market. So we are called small retail traders, right? These large moves that are made are actually made by large hedge funds, large corporates, and large investors that actually trade billions of dollars. Those are what makes the difference in the markets. And those people, those corporates are what are called market makers, because they make the market by making moves, right? So back to the charts. Forex is all about speculating how you're going to make a move and then using the edge that you found to take a trade. Like for instance, this trade that we took, it was actually a simple break and retest trade that's based off price action. Simple. Prices broke above this structure, gave us a retest, and then we saw prices were starting to continue. We took a trade. Now we are at break even, so any of our capital isn't at risk, right? And we're anticipating to see prices keep on pushing higher until they reach somewhere up here. Cool. Now, in trading, there are a lot of things that you need to consider as we're moving on to the next part, how much you can make with Forex. In trading, there are a lot of things that you need to consider before actually answering the question of how much a person can make in the Forex market. There are a lot of things that a person needs to consider. First thing is the trading strategy that they're using. Like for instance, me, I use price action. With price action on a monthly basis, I can actually make anywhere from 15% to 20% by risking 1% per trade, right? Now, that's another factor, risking 1% per trade. Others are more comfortable with risking 2%. Others risk 3, others risk 10, hell, others go full margin, right? So on answering how much you can make, it all comes down to the specifics of how a person trades, what trading strategy the person uses, and a lot of other other factors, if I may, such as the market conditions, right? Because at the end of the day, you may take a trade even if you go full margin. If the prices are just ranging, you're not going to make any money. So it all comes down to a lot of variables. Your level of experience. Do you know what you're doing in the market? Because if you don't, at the end of the day, you're just going to blow your account, right? So it all comes down to a lot of factors, a lot of variables to answer the question, how much can you make in the market? But since we are talking about the generalization, we are going to put it, in assumptions. So cool. Let's say you have a winning strategy and your risk management is on point. I believe saying that, for instance, if you're using price action as I am, you can make anywhere from 10 to 20% a month by risking 1%. You can make from 20 to 40% risking 2%. You can make from 30 to 60% risking 3% every single trade, right? That's by using pure price action. I can't talk about other strategies because I don't really have the experiences and I haven't back tested that yet. But I'm only going to say what I know, and that's based off pure price action. Now, coming back to that, it doesn't matter the percentage gains again. It all comes down to how much you have. Like, what's 10% of what? If you're trading 10% of $100, you're obviously going to make about $10, which is almost nothing, right? But if you say, let's say you're trading a prop firm and you make 10% of 100,000, that's $10,000. You can, that's something, $10,000 isn't small money. That's something. You're talking 6 figures annually if you make $10,000 a month. So it all comes down to the strategy you're using, the approach, how you're trading, your risk factor, what account size you're trading. All of these are factors that actually speak volumes on how much you're going to make as a trader per month, per day, per year, annually, whatever, right? So you really can't answer the question of how much a person can make. But hypothetically speaking, you can make anywhere from 10% to 60% using price action if you have mastered it. And my advice, guys, if you're new to trading and you want to catapult your trading career to the future and take 10 steps ahead, you need to be trading with prop firms, as they actually give you access to larger capitals so that you can actually trade with that. So imagine you're trading $100 and another person this has this, two people have $100. One person deposits in a brokerage account $100. The other one goes to buy a funded account for $10,000 by using the $100. At the end of the month, this person that deposited $100 will have, let's say you are all using price actions, this, and you're using the same entries, you have the same risk factors, all that. The person that deposited $100 will have at least $10 if you aim to make maybe 10%. The person with the prop firm will have 10% of $10,000 is $1,000. So you can see the risk is the same, the work is the same, but the results, the rewards are different. So I'd say if you wanna catapult your trading career to the future, I'd say get yourself a prop firm. It will actually help you tons to get where you wanna reach as a trader farther and faster. So yeah. That's all I prepared today on what is Forex and how much you can actually make. I just wanted to make it short and brief. So we're going to keep on going on like this, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to talk next. So with that being said, I appreciate your time. Thank you for sticking with until the end. Till next time, I appreciate you. If you found value in this video, give us a like, share, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you won't miss out on content like this in the future. Until then, I appreciate you. Ciao.